We're going to talk today about adding some bigger numbers using our place value. So let's just remind ourselves first, when we talk about place value, we can think of tens places and we can think of ones. A 10 looks like this long rod because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when we say a 10, we can think of that one long stick. A 1, we use just one cube because let's count it, 1. That's all there is. So we have tens because there are 10 squares in this rod, and we have ones because there's only one cube here. So our tens are going to be our big long sticks, and our ones are going to be just our cubes. So when we're looking at adding some bigger numbers with our place value, let's do an example. If I want to add 24 plus 13, I want to think of that as my tens and my ones. So 24 has 2 tens, which is 20, and 4 ones. So let's build that. Let's see what that looks like. 20 is 1, 2, and 4 is 4 ones. 24, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So I took this big number 24 and I broke it up into my tens, 20, and my ones, 4. So let's do the same for 13. My tens and my ones, 10 plus 3. So let's build it. 13 starts with 10, 11, 12, 13. A 10 and 3 ones. So when I want to add these numbers together, I can use my place value, my tens and my ones, to make it a little bit easier and quicker for me to add. So let me add my tens, 20 plus 10. If I do 20 plus 10, let's see what that gives me. Adding, remember, means taking things and putting them together. So if I add my 20 and my 10 and I put them together, I end up with 10, 20, 30. So let me do the same thing with my ones. I'm going to take my 4 ones and I'm going to put it together and add it to my 3 ones. So if I take these two and I put them together, it gives me 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I added my tens and I added my ones. So my very last step is to take my 30 and my 7 and put them together. If I put it all together, I end up with 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. And if you really know your place value, then you know 3 tens and 7 ones makes 37. So 24 plus 13 equals 37. And that's how we add some of our bigger numbers using our place value.